Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to teach you how you will be able to upload an image to GitHub. As you can see right now on our screen, we're currently in github.com. And the first thing we're going to do is to select the repository that we would like to upload our image into. For example, for me over here, I have two repositories. So let's test it out on the first repository that I have. And over here, to be able to upload an image, you're simply going to click on Add File over here on the top right section beside the code. You're simply going to click on Upload Files. And you're simply going to drag a file here, or you could choose it from your computer by clicking on Select Files. So after that, simply look for the different images that you want to upload. So for example, for me, let me find an image for us to use as an example over here. I think these are all PDF. But simply select it. As you can see here, for example, this one. I could easily upload the JPEG photo into GitHub just like this. And simply click on Commit Changes. And you will be able to upload that specific photo into your repository. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.